Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the daily time frame. So the dollar Swiss has definitely been going up. Overall, on the weekly time frame, I still think that there's a very good likelihood that it is going to go down again, which is why I'm definitely still looking at this as a pullback. I'm starting to think this is three waves up, and then it's a WXY, 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down for like a wave B. This is a wave A, and maybe we're now in like a running pattern, like a five waves up for a C, like a running ABC correction before we make that final push down to hit this higher time frame Fibonacci level. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely am still bullish overall. For now, I have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, but you definitely could put it on the whole move, maybe from here to here. Either way, I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce, which we did get this morning. I would like to see it break and hold above this structure. It's right at the structure now. If it rejects the structure, it may actually keep going down. If it breaks and holds above the structure, then I think there's a good chance that it may go up more based on the daily time frame still being in an uptrend, which looks like the uptrend is likely not over yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.